welcome back to another cooking video with KK Thompson. Today I am cooking curried chicken, yes. And here I have about 2 pounds of chicken that I want to clean up. I am cleaning up at this moment, and I am going to chop it up and I am going to season my curry chicken. So I want you to watch as I proceed to do so. All my subscribers, thank you for being in the house. To all those that are watching for the very first time, welcome. I hope you like this video. You will share the video, leave a comment in the comment section, and if this is something that you would love to see again, you can subscribe. I will appreciate it. And so at this point, what I am doing, I am getting my seasoning ready. So I have a piece of ginger, and yes, ginger is very good for curry. I am crushing some scallion, and we'll be cutting up some onions, pepper, and some garlic. So please continue to watch. My chicken more than one time with vinegar water and drain. I am now putting in the seasoning, and I will be using about 1.5 pack of curry. I am using a little better pack sachet, so I'm going to use 1.5. But what I like to do, I like to burn my curry, so I'm going to put only one in the seasoning right now, and then I'll use the other half in the oil, burn it in the oil when I'm about to put that in. Continue watching and see the process. and I'm going to put the half pack of curry in. So we don't want the curry to burn up. We want it to burn but not to burn up. So you will stir the curry in the oil, ensuring that it's all over the pan, and then we are going in with our chicken. You can do this two ways. The seasoning that we used earlier, you can remove them from the chicken and just put the chicken alone in the pot, or you can put everything in like I did, all in. I put all in, okay? And so you will just stir that the curry get to be on everything. Just stir, 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 and leave it to cook in its own liquid. So you're not going to put any water, you're just going to cover the pot and leave it. If you notice here, I did not put any water. Stirring, keep stirring, stirring, and allow it to simmer in its own liquid, okay, until it's almost, till you almost hear it start frying. When it starts frying, that's where we will be going in with the water, okay? So this is going to take a little process. You have to keep checking until it starts frying, okay? Here now it's right down, it starts frying, and this is when I'm going in with a little hot water. I do not use cold water because the cold water will take away the flavor. So I have my Irish carrots, I have some red onions, and I cover back and leave to cook. So when the onion is cooked and the Irish carrots, then we start checking for gravy, okay? We don't put any more water in the pot, no more water. We start allow it now to come down to gravy. And in my curry chicken, yes, you might be wondering why I put ketchup. I always put a little ketchup in my curry for added flavor, just for added flavor. And you would leave and allow to simmer and come to gravy. And you will check for gravy. I am checking here for gravy. Yes, when it comes to the right consistency, then we would turn off the stove. And this is it. It seems like I have reached my desired consistency. So this is my curried chicken. Thank you for staying to the end. This is my curry chicken, and so I am serving now. I am serving, and you will just plate as you desire and eat. Thank you for staying to the end. I will see you in another video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please remember to like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you. Walk good. God bless you.